Hi, my dear students. Now we are going to learn practice set number 4.2 of algebra. You all can see an example has been given. A manufacturer who sold one watch of rupees 200 including profit to the wholesaler, then wholesaler sold that to retailer for 300, then retailer to the customer for 400. Now 12% of GST each of them are paying. So now you all can see manufacturer it is paying 12 rupees CGST to the SGST as well as to the state government. So total 24 rupees. Wholesaler 6 rupees means 12 rupees. Retailer 12 rupees. So in all 48 rupees. So it has been 48 at the end of the time customer paid for 48 rupees. Now 200 rupees watch, now it is coming towards to the customer, so the customer is paying that 200 rupees watch, he is paying rupees 448. How the prices increases from the manufacturer towards the customer. So when a trader pays GST at the time of purchase, it is known as input tax. When he collects GST at the time of sale, it is known as output tax. So GST payable equals output tax minus ITC, input tax credit. Sum number 1. Chetna store paid total GST of rupees 1,05,000 at the time of purchase and collected GST rupees 1,22,500 at the time of sale during 1st July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Find the GST payable by Chetna stores. So at the time of purchase it is known as input tax credit, and at the time of sale it is known as output tax. Now so input tax 1,05,000, output tax 1,22,500. So GST payable output tax minus ITC, that is input tax credit. So 1,22,500 minus 1,05,000 will give you 22,000. So GST payable by Chetna store is 22,000. Now sum number 3. Amir Enterprises purchased chocolate sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold this bottle to Akbari Brothers and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST of 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Okay. Now for Amir Enterprises, at the time of purchase 3,800, at the time of GST collected rupees 400, 1,000 means output tax. So GST payable equals output minus input. So 4,100 minus 3,800 will give you GST 300. But GST payable is 300. CGST equals SGST, 300 upon 2 equals 150. So CGST equals SGST equals 150. But for Akbari Brothers, ITC is 4,100, output tax is 4,500. So GST payable equals output tax minus input. So 4,500 minus 4,100 will give you 400. So GST equals 400. But CGST equals SGST equals 400 upon 2 is 200. Now sum number 5th. MS beauty product paid 18% GST on cosmetic worth rupees 6,000 and sold to a customer for rupees 1,000, 10,000. What are the amounts of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice? Now tax paid at the time of purchase, it is known as ITC. So 18% of 6,000 will give you 1,080. Now tax collected at the time of sale, that is output tax. So 1,800 of 10,000 sorry, 18% of 10,000 will give you 18 upon 100 into 10,000, 1800. So GST equals output tax minus input, 1800 minus 1080. So GST equals 720. Now tax invoice for GST. Beauty products, GST, CGST and SGST. Purchase 1080. So you will pay SGST and CGST, means half of it, 540, 540. At the time of sale, 720. So he will pay GST to the central as well as to the state government, that is 360 and 360. So total 1800 GST, means 900 of CGS and 900 of SGST. Now sum number 6. Prepare business to consumer tax invoice using information. Write the name of the supplier, address, state, date, invoice number, GST, IN, etc. As per your choice. They have given us supplier, MS, address, state, date, invoice name, number, GST. Particulars: rate of mobile battery rupees 200, GST 12%, HNS 1 piece, and of headphone they have given. So you all have seen this tax invoice. So supplier name I have written, Shruti Electricals, address, state, telephone number, invoice number 64. So GSTIN, it is 10 digit of PAN card and in all 15 alpha numerals. Invoice date 31st 1 2018. So serial number 12, HNS code they have given us. Name of product mobile battery headphone, rate 200, 750, quantity 11, taxable amount 200 and 750, rate CGST 6%, that is 12, and for the SGST 6% 12, so total 224. And for the headphone 9% of 750 is 67.50, to the state 67.50, so 88.88, so 885. So the total is 950, 79.50, 79.50 equals 1109. So with that, practice set number 4.2 has been done. Thank you.